Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss tricks to solve NEET questions. Under this heading, today I am going to discuss the units nitrocompounds, that is, organic compound containing nitrogen. Under this, what are the compounds included? Nitro alkanes, aliphatic aromatic, cyanides, isocyanides, amines, and diammonium chlorides are the included chapters. I am Dr.R. Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Before taking the questions, let me introduce what are the chapters that you have to study. As in the case of the previous organic compounds, you have to study test for functional group, classification, naming of organic compounds, isomerisms, preparation, properties, and uses of the three types of compounds, that is nitroalkanes, aliphatic aromatics, amines, aliphatic aromatics, and cyanides and isocyanides. Okay. Only if you have clear idea under this unit, you can easily answer the following questions. So let me start the first question, which was asked in the year 2016. Kindly follow. The correct statement regarding the basicity of aryl amine, please follow, aryl amine is A. Aryl amines are generally more basic than alkyl amines because the nitrogen lone pair electrons are not delocalized by interaction with aromatic ring bi-electron system. B. Aryl amines are generally more basic than alkyl amines because of aryl group. C. Aryl amines are generally more basic than alkyl amines because the nitrogen atom in the aryl amine is sp hybridized. D. Aryl amines are generally less basic than alkyl amines because the nitrogen lone pair electrons are delocalized by interaction with aromatic ring bi-electron system. So, my dear students, so they have given four statements. The question is asked the correct statement. Which is correct? Here, the suitably D may be the correct answer. That is, aryl amines are generally less basic than alkyl amine because the lone pair electrons are delocalized by interaction with aromatic ring. So let me explain, kindly follow me. So let me take a specific known example. A simple example I want to take for you, kindly follow. One is methylamine. This is aliphatic. Then I will take phenylamine, that is the aniline. So when you compare these, so we observed already this is aliphatic is more basic than aromatic amine. The reason is I can explain now. So you must have idea this is an aliphatic compound, this is an aromatic compound. If it is an aliphatic compound, here inductive effect is operating. is an aromatic compound. Here mesomeric effect is operating. Mesomeric effect is operating. So if you want to have clear idea, please refer my basic concept of organic chemistry lesson. Under this, I have given a clear idea regarding what is inductive, what is mesomeric effect. There you have a clear idea. So here, let me explain what way aliphatic amine is more basic than aromatic. According to inductive effect, generally there are two types inductive, that is plus I, another is minus I. Plus I means, kindly follow, that is electron releasing groups if it is present. So CH3 coming under the releasing group. So what about the I minus NO2 CN? The all other groups are coming under this category. Kindly follow. The even aldehyde, ketone, acid coming under this category. They are electron attracting group, minus I. So in the case of inductive effect, let me explain. Generally, electron, the releasing group, that is plus I group, will increase the electron density around nitrogen. The reason is, kindly follow, this is NH2, lone pair is there. The bond pair here it is, because of the releasing character, the bond electron also moving towards nitrogen. So density around nitrogen is increases. So basicity increases in the case of aliphatic compound due to plus I effect. Now coming for the aromatic ring, kindly follow, that is phenylamine, that is aniline. There is a ring, that is the lone pair. So first you must know what is base. A base is a substance which donate lone pair of electron. That means the nitrogen atom that is present in both cases, it is responsible having a lone pair. It is donating lone pair to the proton, so it is a base. Now we are comparing the donating capacity of the methylamine and phenylamine. So in this case, the methylamine donating capacity increases due to the plus I effect, whereas in the case of aniline, so now we have to discuss due to mesomeric effect. Under this scale follow. So if you compare under the inductive effect, please follow. Let me take now aromatic ring. Under the inductive effect, the phenyl group is also involved. What is involved? Phenyl group, there is a lone pair. It is electron attracting group, that is minus I group. It is also included under the minus I. And also you can say NH2 group, if you go for mesomeric effect, it is the plus M effect. So there are both. This is minus I phenyl group plus M NH2 group. So what is happening because of this? Let me show you how the electron will shift towards the benzene ring. Kindly show you. So there is a lone pair. Kindly follow. So because aromatic ring is a minus I effect, also as per the inductive effect, and NH group as per the mesomeric effect, electron releasing group, that is plus M. So because of this, the lone pair that is present in the nitrogen is pushing toward the ring this way. So what will happen now? It is becoming now a resonance structure of, kindly follow, NH2 plus, this is minus in the para. Kindly follow. So now the lone pair that is present in the nitrogen atom is not available to accept H plus. So basicity decreases. So this is the reason. So that's why methylamine is more basic than aniline. or according our statement, the given here, generally, aryl amines are generally less basic than alkyl amine because the nitrogen lone pair electrons are delocalized by interaction with aromatic ring pi electron system. I have very clearly explained the reason. Okay, next question. Question number 2. This question was asked under the year NEET 2017. The correct increasing order of basic strength for the following compound. Very, very important question. Again, this is also asked under the amine. This question is also asked under the amine. So kindly follow what are the options given? 1, 2, 3 given. One is aniline, phenyl group NH2. Another is para-nitroaniline. The third one is para-methyl-aniline. Kindly follow. So here M effect, mesomeric effect is we have to consider. So the basic is NH2 group. The basic is NH2 group. So according to this question is the correct increasing order of basic. So what is a base? I told you already, a base is a substance which will donate lone pair of electron. In all the cases there is NH2, NH2, NH2. So there is a lone pair that will donate lone pair to the protons. So it is the basicity. So what is the donating capacity? Which will donate fastly, which will donate slowly? Then we can compare the order, which is more basic, which is less basic. That will be decided by the other group present in the benzene ring. So take in one, there is in the para position there is hydrogen. In the second para position NO2 group. In the third position para position is methyl group. Now kindly follow. So when you go for mesomeric effect, the NO2 group is minus I group, that is electron attracting groups. Methyl group electron, that is mesomeric, this is plus M, electron donating groups. Kindly follow. Remember, M indicates mesomeric aromatic compound or resonance, the resonance R, it is also indicated by R or M. So I am using M. So generally, kindly follow me. This is the most important. Kindly note, my dear students, please in your notebook, you note it. Generally, electron releasing group will increase the basicity, whereas electron attracting group decrease the basicity. This is the basic idea. With this basic idea, you have to identify the correct answer. So let me take now, kindly follow. The explanation is, this is the benzene ring, NH2, lone pair, here there is hydrogen. So in this case, I am having a NH2 again, para position NO2 group. This is the para-nitroaniline. Next will be the correspondingly, kindly follow, the most important thing is the again aniline NH2 group, para position methyl group. Kindly follow. The important here is, I told you already, electron attracting, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So generally, electron releasing group will increase the basicity. Electron attracting group generally will decrease the basicity. So the aniline is the standard. So what way, let me explain now. The third one I will take. Electron releasing group pushing the electron toward the benzene ring. So this delocalized. So what is happening now? Electron density around nitrogen increases in the third case. When electron density increases, basicity increases. So this is number one. Kindly follow. This is number one. Then come over here, nitrobenzene, it is electron attracting group, minus M effect. So it is attracting electron like this. So the lone pair that is present here will come to the para position. So the lone pair is not available in NH2 group. So basicity decreases. So the aniline is standard. So what is the order now? 3 should be greater than 1, greater than 2. This is the order. Kindly follow. This is the correct answer for the questions. So we have to find out where it is. So kindly see, A is the correct answer. Because this is more basic than and this is more basic than. Kindly follow. So, aniline is more basic than nitroaniline, and aniline, the paramethyl aniline is more basic than nitroaniline, paranitroaniline. Also, aniline is more basic than paranitro. But when you compare, 3 is greater than 1, greater than 2. This is the correct answer. Please follow. Question number 3. This question was asked in the year 2017. Which of the following reactions appropriate for converting acetamide to methanamide? Acetamide to methanamide. So this is coming under this. Again, the again amine. Kindly follow. Coming under the aromatic, that is the amine means the aliphatic amine, methanamide. What is the acetamide? CH3CONH2. It is converted to methylamine. So this is the reaction. Question is, which of the following reaction is appropriate? Which is called appropriate for converting acetamide to methamide? Gabriel, this is Gabriel's phthalimide synthesis, carboylamine reaction, Hoffman isopromide reaction, Stephen reaction. So probably the correct answer may be C. That is the reaction. Let me explain the reaction. Kindly follow me. Okay, please come further. Now, let me take now the correspondingly acetamide, that is CH3 C double bond O NH2. So when you treat with bromine in presence of potassium hydroxide, this is the reagent, it is converted into methylamine plus potassium carbonate. Please follow. So this is the most important reactions. And the corresponding water, it is formed. The potassium bromide water is formed. But we need only this product, methylamine. That is from here, this is converted into this. And name of the reaction is the correspondingly, I have already informed you. Kindly follow. So, now let me write the mechanism of this reaction. Kindly follow. To understand the mechanism, what is happening, you must know. So first, let me write the structure of C double bond O NH2. So when we are treating with bromine, what is happening? Now, bromine is getting substituting this NH CH3CO NHBr. This is the intermediate that is formed first. This is called bromamide. N bromamide. Bromamide. The next step, what is happening now, in presence of base, that is potassium hydroxide, so it undergoes a rearrangement. What way it will undergo rearrangement? Kindly follow. So this is the H is going out, Br is going out. This methyl group rearrangement to nitrogen atom. Kindly follow. This is a rearrangement taking place. So what is the product I am getting now? CH3, N, C double bond, O. Kindly follow. That is the structure. This is called isocyanate. Isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate is the intermediate again. This is unstable. So because we are treating in presence of water, that is, we are using potassium bromide and aqueous sodium hydroxide. And aqueous means water is there. So this will undergo hydrolysis, producing, kindly follow, H2O. So what will happen now? The correspondingly product is methylamine and carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon dioxide reacts with potassium hydroxide. Potassium carbonate is formed. Please follow. So we are getting the methylamine carbon dioxide. Please follow. The carbon dioxide reacts with potassium hydroxide but is converted into potassium carbonate. Or simply you can write even carbon dioxide. So this is the mechanism. Kindly follow. This is the famous reaction. This is called a rearrangement. That is Hofmann rearrangement. The only rearrangement is available in higher secondary level. If you go for BSc and MSc level, a number of rearrangement, example, penacol 1 rearrangement, benzene rearrangement, so many rearrangements are there. But this is the only rearrangement present in our book. Kindly follow. So the correct answer is, therefore, it is C. Hofmann hypobromide reaction or Hofmann degradation or Hofmann rearrangement. Anyway, you can call this one. Next question. Question number 4, which was asked in NEET 2018. Nitration of aniline in strong acid medium also gives metanitroaniline. Please follow, read carefully. Nitration of aniline in strong acid medium also gives metanitroaniline because A. In the absence of substituent, nitro group always goes to the meta position. B. In electrophilic substitution reactions, amino group is the meta-directive. C. In spite of substituents, nitro group always goes to only meta. And D. In acidic medium, strong medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion. So what is the correct answer? Kindly follow. Probably D may be the correct answer. Let us see now the reason for that one. Kindly follow. What is happening in this case? Let me take now aniline. Kindly follow. So when I am treating with concentrated nitric acid or concentrated sulfuric acid, that is, we are going to nitrate. That is the strong acid medium. Here attacking species is NO2 plus. Kindly follow. Let me write what way this is formed. Let me explain. Kindly follow me. Here this is nitric acid. This is sulfuric acid. So I am writing the structural form. That is the first step of the reaction mechanism. So what will happen now? 1 mole of nitric acid, 2 moles of sulfuric acid combines to produce, kindly follow. This is the way it is cleaved and producing now NO2 plus. It is the attacking reagent plus H3O plus 2HSO4 minus. These are the species formed. When you mix concentrated nitric acid 1 mole and 2 moles of sulfuric acid is acting as an acid medium, nitric acid is acting as a base. Please follow. This is also question maybe asked in future. So what we need from this, what we have to understand, NO2 plus is going to attack the aniline. But in presence of acid medium, what is happening now? Before attacking, this is converted in the form of, because strong acid medium converted into anilinium ion. H plus is now accepting by lone pair converted into anilinium ion. When this anilinium ion in presence of, kindly follow, this NO2 group, kindly follow, that is an electrophil, positively charged electrophil is going to attack. So the attack of the first, you must understand there are 6 positions present. The NH2 group which is attached to position 1, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. The position 1 is called ipsocarbon. Please follow. This is not come across in our book. Please memorize. Ipsocarbon where the substituent is present. 2 and 6 are called ortho positions. 3 and 5 are called meta. This is para. So this is meta. This is ortho. Please follow. So what will happen now? Because NH3 plus means, plus is attracting. Attracting the electron means it is acting as a attracting group. So minus M effect it is now having. So it is attracting from the ring. Kindly follow. So what will happen now? So this is the meta position having negative charge. So when it is a negative, automatically positive will attack the NO2, producing the meta-nitroaniline. Kindly follow. The product will be NH3 to NO2. So this is the product form. So this is the reason for that. Suppose if it is only simple aniline, and if you are doing with nitric acid simple, if you do any other thing, say for example bromination, if you do simply in cold reaction, the bromine will go only to ortho and para. 2, 4, 6 trinitro, tribromo aniline will form. It is NH2 group is the ortho para orienting group. Because it is converted to NH3 plus, it is a meta-orienting group converted. So that's why. So now I have explained the reason. Now the reason is D is the correct answer. In acid medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion, so which is the attracting group. So the NO2 plus is going to meta position. Please follow. Next question. Question number 5. This question was asked in the year 2019. The correct order of basic strength of methyl substituted amine in aqueous solution is. So what is the correct order? So given there are 3 aliphatic amines are given. One is primary amine, methylamine. Secondary amine, this is tertiary amine. So generally, if you look into this, here what is the effect we have to use? We have to use inductive effect. Because inductive effect is operating only in aliphatic system. Whereas electromeric operating in unsaturated system. Hyperconjugation also in exceptionally unsaturated system where alkyl groups are present. Mesomeric effect is operating only in aromatic system or in the case of aliphatic conjugated system. Conjugation means alternatively single and double bond is present. So here I have to explain with the inductive effect. So first let me take now, so let me explain one by one, kindly follow. So what is we are expected, kindly follow. What is specifically this question? Expected order will be, so let me take first one, methylamine. Sorry. Methyl, that is primary amine, that is called amino, that is, this is called aminomethane. So let me take, compare with this group, N, that is CH3, NH2. This is the, again primary, that is primary amine, but this is a isopropyl group. Two groups are there. Isopropyl amine. This is also primary amine. Sorry. So this also propyl, the primary amine, but it is the bulky groups are there. Then if we go for the third one, kindly follow. This is the another one, tertiary butyl. Please follow. There are three. This is primary methylamine. This is isopropylamine, or I can simply call 2-aminopropane. This I will call the 2-amino-2-methyl propane. So how we are comparing the basicity, which is more basic. So what we are expecting normally, let me call it as this is suppose 1, this is 2, this is 3. So according to plus I effect, because all methyl groups are electron releasing groups, it is electron releasing, one methyl electron releasing group. Here two groups. So here there are three groups. Please follow. So what we are expected strength is, so 1, 2, this is 3. So 3 should be more basic than 2, 2 should be more basic than 1. This is the normal thinking of as per the inductive order. But why specifically this question is asked? Because in reality, the order is changed. What way the order is changed? The order is 2 is more basic than 3. It is more basic than 1. This is the order. So, the second one takes priority. Please follow. Second one takes priority. The reason is, kindly follow. So already I have explained you, base is a substance because all the primary amine is having a lone pair. So what will happen now? This lone pair is responsible for the basicity to accept to proton. So additionally, plus I effect is operating. So it is donating electron towards the ring. Electron density around nitrogen increases. But there is, in the case of 2-amino-2-methylpropane or tertiary butylamine, due to steric effect, there is another factor, steric effect. So all the three methyl groups surrounding the benzene, the NH group, so they are giving some sort of strain so that instead of donating, so it is the repelling to each other with respect to methyl groups. So the effect is decreases because of the steric effect. So now, number 2, that is isopropylamine takes priority. Please follow. Expected order 3, 2, 1. But real order 2, 3, 1. So we'll go for the correct answer is C. This is isopropylamine greater than methylamine greater than sorry. That is only tertiary amine is the last one. Sorry. I have, that is less basic comparatively. So because of this one, so sorry, this question is, this answer is wrong. Kindly follow. This answer is wrong. Answer is, so secondary where it is, oh, this is the correct answer. This is the, sorry, wait a minute, where is secondary? Secondary, okay, this is secondary. Okay, right. Answer is, this is the correct answer. So, this is the secondary, that is CH3, CH, CH is missing here, CH3, NH2 is greater than methylamine is greater than tertiary. That is tertiary butyl amine. So, this is the correct answer. Kindly C is the correct answer. Please follow. Now, let me go for question number 6. This question was asked under the NEET 2020. Kindly follow. Which of the following amine will give the carbylamine test? Please follow. Again, this question was asked under amine again. All the questions are asked in amine. Actually, in the syllabus, it is having nitrocompound, it is having cyanide, isocyanide, etc. But they are asking only question from amino group. Anyhow, which of the following amine will give the carbylamine test? What is meant by carbylamine? Carbylamine means NC group. NC group or NC is the carbylamine. Please follow. Whenever you see carbylamine, immediately it has to come to your mind, Bhopal tragedy. That gas only, the millions of people or lakhs of people are killed in Delhi. Okay, let me come for the question. Which of the following amine will give the carbylamine test? Normally, kindly follow. Only primary amine will give the carbylamine test. This is the differentiation of primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. So, primary amine alone will give carbylamine test. Just see, this is not tertiary, this is secondary, this is primary, this is secondary. So, answer should be very, very easy. This is the example of, that is the question for this one. Aniline is the correct answer. Let me explain, kindly follow. What way it will form this carbylamine? So let me take example. Kindly follow. Let me take now aniline and it reacts with chloroform and potassium hydroxide. Kindly follow. 3 molecules. So what is happening now? It is, I am writing the mechanism, kindly follow to understand the idea. HCl. So 3 molecules of HCl is produced. So aniline reacts with chloroform in presence of potassium hydroxide, undergoes carbylamine reaction. So what is now producing product is, kindly follow, NC, phenyl isocyanide, it is produced, plus 3 molecules of HCl reacts with 3 molecules of potassium hydroxide, so 3 potassium chloride, 3 water, it is formed. Kindly follow. So this is called carbylamine. Carbylamine. Phenyl isocyanide is the carbylamine reaction. So, only aniline will answer. Only primary amine will answer this question. Kindly follow. So, correct answer is C, the correct answer. Next, let me go for the next question. Question number 7. Kindly follow. Question number 7. This question was asked in NEET 2021. Identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. Please follow. Identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. Again, this is coming under aromatic amines. Amines, it is coming under amine. All the questions so far we have discussed again amine. So first you must understand what is meant by Hinsberg reagent. Hinsberg reagent is nothing but benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. That is, or phenyl sulfonyl chloride. This is the reagent. Phenyl sulfonyl, or we can also use para-toluyl sulfonyl chloride. This also we can use. This also we can use as a Hinsberg reagent. Both cases. Kindly follow. So let me explain now. Kindly follow. The question is identify the compound that will react with the Hinsberg reagent, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride, to give a solid which dissolves in alkali. So this reagent is normally used to differentiate primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. Separation of this mixture we have to do with the help of so many reagents. One of the method is Hinsberg method. There are so many methods. This is one of the method is Hinsberg method. This is applicable only for amine. So simple answer is, this is the answer. Ethyl amine. Because this is nitrocompound, this is secondary amine, this is again tertiary. So suitable only for primary. Let me explain what is happening. Kindly understand the idea. Suppose, let me take first case. In the case of primary amine, please follow. It will, in the case of primary amine, I will take simple example CH3 NH, kindly follow, plus benzene sulfonyl chloride. So what will happen now? In presence of base, sodium hydroxide, what is happening? It is undergoing condensation reaction producing this product. Kindly follow. SO2 NH CH2 CS, that is CH3. Then it is again in presence of sodium hydroxide. There is the H will be there because the NO2 group, that is acidic in nature. So it is producing SO2 Na plus, this is minus, kindly follow, 2CH3. Kindly follow. So what will happen now? The H will be replaced by Na plus. Kindly follow. So automatically this is water soluble. Sodium salt, water soluble. Kindly follow. It is forming water soluble. Primary amine. So primary amine reacts like this. If you understand, I am explaining. All these explanations not required. Simply I can say primary amine, that's enough. But anyhow, for you, I am giving this explanation. How the primary, second, tertiary will be separated. So this is becoming water soluble, becoming liquid. Please follow. The second, if it is the secondary amine, suppose what will happen now? CH3, that is Kindly follow. NHCS3. Again, I am treating with benzene sulfonyl chloride in presence of potassium hydroxide. Only one OH is present. It will react now to produce SO2 N CH3 CH3. The correspondingly HCl it is formed. So here with the sodium hydroxide, no reaction. No reaction it is taking place because there is no hydrogen atom to replace. So what will happen? This will become as a solid. This is becoming as a solid. Kindly follow. The first one oily liquid. Second one a solid. Suppose if it is a tertiary amine, what will happen? Tertiary amine CH3 CH3 sorry N, that is tertiary amine means N H3 H3 H3, there is a lone pair. When it reacted with, that is your benzene sulfonyl chloride, kindly follow, no reaction. Here, because Cl cannot be removed by, there is no hydrogen atom present in that. So, this is as such present as the original liquid. Original liquid, that is tertiary amine. So now what in the case of primary amine, please follow oily liquid. In the case of second, it is secondary solid. In the case of third is liquid. Liquid, original tertiary amine. So if you do fractional distillation, the tertiary amine will come out from the distillation flask. Then the remaining mixture, oily liquid and solid, that you can separate by filtration. So primary, secondary and tertiary amine can be separated. After separation by hydrolysis, you will get back your original amine. So this is the way we have to do separation. Kindly follow. But actually what our need is only amine, in this case ethyl amine, is the correct answer for this question. Now, question number 8. Kindly follow. The reagent R in the given sequence of chemical reaction is, here the first case 2, 4, 6 tribromoaniline. And when you treat with sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 degree centigrade, converted into diazonium chloride. Please follow. The diazonium chloride, when you treat with R, kindly follow, it is producing the 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 tribromobenzene. Kindly follow. This is the product form. So question is, what is R? Question is, what is R? So option A is given H2O, CH3, CH2OH, HI, and 4 is CuCN, Cn. Kindly follow. So in this case, kindly follow, what is the correct answer is probably 2 may be the correct answer. Kindly follow. How? Let me explain the question. Kindly follow. That is, so you take now, first step will be, kindly follow, sodium nitrite and HCl we are using at 0 degree. This actually is a test for this is the test for dye test. Normally we are using this one. So when you mix sodium nitrate and HCl, what will happen now? Simply it will form nitrous acid and sodium chloride. So HONO2 plus sodium chloride is formed. At 0 degree it is present there. So what will happen now? This HNO2, what way I will write? O N double bond O. This is the nitrous acid. It is not stable, only stable at 0 degree centigrade. We cannot store in the room temperature. So whenever we want, we have to prepare at the room temperature, at the 0 degree centigrade. Kindly follow. So what is the actual reaction that is taking place? So we have, this is bromine, this is bromine, this is bromine, and this is the NH2 group. Kindly follow. So what we are doing is, when we treat this nitrous acid, kindly follow H, that is, I can write O, N, double bond, that is double bond O, OH. This is the structure. Kindly follow. O double bond N, the single bond, then OH. OH. So if I write here in this structure, kindly follow, what will happen now? I can write O double bond N, OH. So it will eliminate, undergo condensation reaction with water molecule removed. So NH2, H2 and O is going out, and N will be added to NOH. So what is the product now? The product is, kindly follow, this is the product. Kindly follow, that is N double bond N OH, and correspondingly Br, Br and Br. So this is taking place in presence of HCl. So this OH will be converted into correspondingly Cl, diazonium chloride. This is 2,4,6 tribromo diazonium chloride. Ordinarily, if it is without bromine, it is a diazonium chloride. This is a substituted diazonium chloride. So with this diazonium chloride, kindly follow, when you treat with alcohol, so it need only some proton. So this is getting eliminated. It is going out NO2, and Cl is getting converted into this CH2O, correspondingly ethyl chloride. So product will be, this is the product. Br, Br and Br plus ethyl chloride plus water. So this is the product form. Kindly follow. So this is the correct answer. That means it is undergoing deamination taking place. Removal of NH2 taking place. Kindly follow. So the correct answer is 2. Ethyl alcohol is the correct answer. So I have come to the conclusion, my dear students. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation given so far to me. So if you are a newcomer to the NEET Chemistry by Dr.R.G channel, I request you kindly click subscribe button. Also share this video to your friends and relatives. It will be useful. So here I want to give one information why I have started the channel, because for the last 3 years the entire world was suffering from corona. I was simply sitting in the house, eating, sleeping, seeing TV. That is the only thing I am doing. So I want to utilize this time properly to do something for society, especially for poor students of India. So I started this channel. Because I have a lot of experience, 40 years, more than 40 years of experience in this coaching as well as the teaching of MSc and PhD. So I feel that it is not difficult for me, it is easy for me, I can do it. So I started this channel mainly to help poor students. So my dear students, if you need not go for any tuition for chemistry, kindly follow my channel. You will get minimum 90 to 100 marks in your board. And if you go for NEET, you will get 180 out of 180 you will get. So best luck you. Good luck for you, my dear student. I have another information for the students who are studying plus 2 and also waiting for writing the second time NEET entrance examination conducted by Government of India. For you, I have one information. We are running a coaching center, Vetti Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years. For the last 21 years we are running. So we have a lot of achievements for the last 21 years. All our achievements is given in the website of Vetti.S, our site. In the home page, you can go and click achievement in the home page. You can see the photograph every year, how many students have gone to JIPMER and how many students have gone for the even All India rank, everything you can see. It's a reliable with the photograph because all these photographs are published in the Dinamala, Dinatandi and Hindu papers. Okay, now kindly follow. The first achievement I want to mention here, in 2003, one of our student, Dr.R.G, came All India first in JIPMER entrance examination. At that time, it was conducted by JIPMER institution itself. So out of more than 10 lakhs people returned throughout India, our student, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, came first. This is our first achievement. The second achievement, for the last 21 years, except 1 or 2 years, all the years, our student got Pondicherry first rank. Pondicherry first rank means not only Pondicherry first rank, they will be in All India rank. Please follow. So we are giving weightage for Pondicherry because in Pondicherry, among the institutions, we are the number one in order to indicate that one. So all photograph, the name, school, everything it is given in the home page, please see. And third important achievement, every year, if you see the photograph, 10 to 20 students are going to JIPMER every year. 150 to 200 students are going to other medical colleges by merit through government quota. And a few students are joining IIT, hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges. This is our achievement. Now, my dear students, the student who are studying for plus 2 and plus 2, the completed that you are going for, waiting for NEET examination, I have a good news for you. We have a website, Vetti.S. Vetti Coaching Center is having a site, Vetti.S. In the Vetti.S, we have important feature. It will, the professor through Vetti.S come to your house and teach you like classroom. And they will conduct a test. They will correct the questions and give the correct marks to you. And also they will discuss the question paper. See, such a facility is not available in any other leading online coaching center in India. So let me go inside to explain this. Vetti.S is containing 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. First, let me concentrate video lesson. All the video lessons are prepared by the professors with the doctorate degree, more than 20 to 30 years of experience in teaching IIT medical coaching. Also, they were teaching BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD, just like me. So they are also my senior. They are even elder than me. So very good experienced professors. In the video solution, kindly follow, we have taken the syllabus of the mainly NEET syllabus, IIT syllabus, MSET Andhra State Board, and including BSc syllabus. So that we don't want to omit any subtopic should not be left out without covering. So all CBSE students will read entire CBSE along with extra. They will read. Same way state board, they will read all extra. IIT same way, they will have additional extra syllabus topics they will add, but which are essential for answering NEET questions. That way. Okay, let me come for. So what is this? The video, when you see the video, it is full of notes. And if you want to take notes, please touch the video, it will stop. You take notes, the formula, definition, diagram, anything, again touch, it will go. Or even you can take green shot, specialty is available. So this is the most important. The second is we have 200 unit test. For example, in this case, the nitrocompounds. So nitrocompound we have two tests, test 1, test 2. Each one will have 45 questions. Why I have given the 45 questions, 2 unit tests, each unit 2 tests, to improve, to first to test your capacity, the second to improve your quality. So this facility is not available in other online coaching. So what way I am testing, just see here, let me explain. First test you are attending. Say for example, nitrocompound. You are going inside. The test, then you click, there is an attempt menu, click. Immediately a window will open. In the window, you can read, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries each question containing 4 options. One of the options is correct. If for correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1. Are you ready? It will ask. Then before clicking OK, take a rough notebook and pen to do problems. In the case of physics, chemistry, and even for botany, zoology also you need sometimes. So in that case, so take rough notebook and pen and click OK. Immediately another window will open. You can see question number 1. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. There is a clock will be running from 45 minutes. And there are 3 menus are there. What are the menu? Center is complete. Right side next. Left side reverse. And below that there is 1 to 45. Number will be there. Question number will be in yellow color. This feature is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. You compare and you can see. Because free version is there. In all coaching, leading online coaching, they are also giving free version. We are also giving free version. Go and verify. Then you can know the advantage of HTTS. What way it is superior than other coaching, online coaching. So if you see, you are reading the question number 1. You observe A is the correct answer. Click A. When you click A, immediately what will happen now? Number 1, under the 1 to 45, the yellow color, which was yellow color, turning into green color. Number 2 becomes blue, all other will be yellow. That means you have attended question number 1. In other online, if you go to click and you cannot find out which question you have attended, which question not attended, you cannot identify. But here it is possible. Suppose after 20 minutes you have completed, then you can want to verify, just see the time. What is that time? 20 minutes, remaining 25 minutes it will show. Then also see how many green, how many yellow, you can verify. From that, how many questions still there you have to verify, so that you can adjust the time. To go faster or slowly like that, you can adjust the time. That is the given. So after finishing all the 45 questions, click complete. Immediately the software will do calculation for each right questions. 4 marks will add. For wrong answer, -1 will be added. So it will indicate. So for example, you are getting 140 out of 180. Because 45 into 4, 180. So this is our first test. You are getting this. So you want to know. So since you have lost 40 marks, where you have done mistake, you want to verify. So this facility is not available in other online coaching center. Because when you are writing 200 questions or 180 questions, you cannot memorize which question you attended, which question not attended, you cannot. But here the provision, we are giving training such a way that if you, there is a provision called review, it's a special key feature of Etidatus. Click review, a window will open. Immediately you can see question number 1 will open. You can see option A, option B, option C, option D. And below option D, correct answer. It will give, they will return as correct answer. Answer will be given in yellow color. And below that, there is the video's answer. Solution will be. So now you have attended A is the correct answer. No, that is in blue color. That is in blue color. Please follow. Suppose you want to verify you have what question you attended A question because blue color is there. Yellow color is correct answer. So you compare with blue to yellow. If answer is same, your answer is right. If answer is different, your answer is wrong. So you can verify yourself. So you want to verify answer, go and click the video solution. Easy. It is not like other online coaching center. They will give simply one word or one line typed matter. That's all. Ordinary student or below average student, they cannot understand. So suppose in this case, today, what way I have discussed explanation, reaction mechanism, written everything, that cannot be done by any online coaching. So we are having that one. What way? The experienced professor with the doctorate degree having 30 to 40 years of experience will take class. You can feel like a classroom. Teacher will stand in front of you, board. In the board you can see the question, you can see the option. He will read the question, he will read the answer, he will raise the question, which is the correct. Then he will start giving explanation, writing the one. If it is a problem, he will start working, give the tricks, everything he will give in terms of the voice you can hear, like classroom. This facility is not available in other online coaching. Please follow. So in the first test, if you see all the 45 questions and if you note all the unknown formula, unknown definition and diagram, everything, if you now immediately what you have to go, you go for the second test. It is also there. Suppose I have for chemistry 50 tests I have given. The first 25 for the first unit, first year, second year, combining 25 tests. And second to 50 will be 25. Let's say for example, that 25. So what will happen now? Then in the second, you will be having Nitrocompounds. You go to that test, click again, try. Now you can see that you will get 170 to 180 out of 180. That means your quality will improve. You can improve your quality because whatever drawbacks you have, that will be already taken, taught by the professors in the video solution in the first one. And even in the second test also, you may have a new information, go through. Dear students, I am giving very important information. So how many tests we have? 200 tests into 45 questions. Each one has one video solution. So if you all questions are taken from previous question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AAPMT, MSET Andhra, the Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So we have not given a single question, we have not framed. We have taken from the previous question paper and we are giving. So what is the result? Observation for the last 6 years, nearly 75 to 80 questions of same questions repeated every year. That means Vetidatus is giving you as a bonus of 320 marks to you if you follow systematically. And if you are a very good smart student, reading properly, following the Vetidatus properly, you will get 300 plus. So totally you can get 650 to 700. Definitely you will get out of 720 marks. So automatically you will become all India rank. You will become doctor. My dear students, it is I told you already, we are helping for the poor students. So we are costing only 10,000 rupees per year. We are collecting only 10,000 rupees to operate veggie. So, how to pay with the 10,000? Pay 10,000 in the name of Santi Director, Veti Coaching Center, Indian Bank account number 712719471, and also IFC code number IDIB000P134. And regarding the any contact, I want to give one information. Previously, I was in India. You can contact me through phone or WhatsApp. Now I am in UK, specifically Wolverhampton. So if you contact me, you contact through WhatsApp phone or WhatsApp message. Thank you very much for kind cooperation. See you again in my next topic. Bye bye.